RFID टैग्स सबको पता है, गाड़ी में जो भी ड्राइव करता है तो दे आर नाउ एट द टोल गेट देयर इज RFID टैग्स and it's also compulsion from the 2023. If you are not having the RFID tags, those case में they will not allow to cross the toll border. So RFID tags also used in this many other applications like the tracking of the vehicles in the PDS. Also the RFID tags are used. In the case of the some of the manufacturing units, they can also be used. So two things are important here. On which technology it's based. क्या radiations use करते हैं, कौन सा light spectrum use करते हैं, and what are the frequency based, and their applications, futuristic applications or the current application of the RFID tags. So RFID say we can say radio frequency identification. So the radio waves they are using. So there is a we need to know the difference between the barcode and RFID because देखने में तो दोनों सेम है, दोनों में यही ऐसी ऐसी लाइन ही दिखेंगी आपको. So what is the difference between the barcode and the RFID? So this is the important one. हम देखते हैं कि हम we are going to the any grocery shop. There is a barcode on the product there. The barcode on the product is scanned by the shopkeeper and the automatically entering in the computer of that person. He is giving the bill to you. Barcodes में scanning के लिए जो frequency use हो रही है, that's the normal frequency, not the radio frequency. One difference is this one. वहाँ पे radio frequency नहीं use होगा, normal visible light frequency पे ही वो काम करता है. Second, so there is some electronic devices in the RFID, electronic things we can say. हाँ, तीन टाइप्स के हो सकते हैं. We will discuss कि RFID can be of three types where the 100% of electricity is used. In some kind there is a radiation transfer from the RFID is used. So we need to focus on the topic. सबसे पहले what is the RFID, on which frequency it is based, what is the application of the RFID, and what are the difference between the RFID and the barcode. बारकोड सबने यूज किए हैं, क्यूआर कोड भी यूज कर रहे हो. तो क्यूआर कोड किस पे बेस्ड है? क्यूआर कोड एंड द बारकोड आर द सेम बट द शेप इज डिफरेंट देयर. So radio frequency is a passive wireless technology that allow tracking or matching of an item or individuals. This is the basic RFID system here. Like this is a RFID tag we are using on a daily basis. Okay, and this is the scanner. This is the scanner here, RFID readers, and there is an antenna receive the stored data from this tag. The antenna अलग से दिखाई नहीं देता है. Sometimes it's present in the RFID reader or maybe in the RFID tag itself. So it cannot be visible there. But two parts. One is the tag, another is the reader here. This reader sending radio waves here, radio frequency पे काम करता है. They are sending signals to this tag, and this signal emit against to the giving information to the reader there. And that information through the antenna will store into this computer database. ठीक है, take an example. You are going to a road trip. There is like a toll in between that. So there is some deduction from your account, like 100 rupees. There is a toll charge of 100 rupees for that crossing that toll. So that RFID with a specific information will scan your specific RFID and take a charge of 100 rupees from your account. It's not like कि वो 500 रुपए ले रहे हैं. It's not like 1000 रुपए ले रहे हैं. In the case of fraud, that can be happen, but it's a specific tag and the specific information that can be scanned from the RFID reader for the specific information. So that information will be taken from your tags, and that amount of money will be deducted from there. This is the one application, deduction of the money. Another application, tracking. In the case of the tracking, they can be tracked from the anywhere. There are three types that can be tracked also, and there is no need कि ये आमने सामने ही हो. In a case of the barcode, there is a need. यहाँ पे आपका सामान है और यहाँ पे आपका रीडर है. Then only it can read the barcode. But in the case of the RFID, if your car is the 10 feet away or the 5 meter away, the reader can read the RFID through the radio waves. And it's not like यहाँ पे this is the toll gate and this is the car. खराब सी कार बना लेते हैं. This is the bike बन गई, ठीक है. So there is a tag. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's present here, बिल्कुल सामने भी है. There is a various lanes there. तो ये यहाँ पे भी होगी, तो उस केस में भी that can be deducted from the your account. So it's not a compulsion. It should be present in the front of the RFID reader. हाँ, alignment जरूरी नहीं है. So this is a different one of the difference between the RFID and the barcode also. ठीक है. The system has two parts, one is tag, one is the reader. We see tag is present on the, जिसको हमें ट्रैक करना है, जहां से इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आनी है, that is the tag, and another is the reader, from where the radio frequency comes. And the reader give radio waves and the get signals back to the computer. वहां से waves जाएंगी and the particular information through the waves comes to the reader again. ठीक है. Like in a case of internet usage, you will see if you are searching anything on the Google, that will transfer to the satellite, that come again from the satellite to you. The same process we are using here. Information जाएगी, आएगी, फिर वापस जाएगी. This is a double track, we can say. A tag can be read up to the several feet away and does not need to be within the direct line of the sight. It's not a compulsion कि आपको direct line of sights में होना. So this can also be one statement for usage of the RFID. It's a requirement that should be present in the direct line of the sight. So statement will be incorrect there. It should not, there is no requirement for the direct sight. And this can be used in the global supply managements and the microchippings. Maybe we can use it like in some of the mobile phones. Tracking जैसे होती है. If your mobile phone is tagged by someone, there is some tracking. Like there is some tags issued by the Apple recently. Small tags. That's also based on the technology of this one. नाम नहीं, AirTag के नाम से आता है. Cost near about 2,500, 3,000 rupee. So like your mobile phone is somewhere, so you can search. आवाज आ जाता, कुछ ऐसा है. And so local version by the Jio, 300 rupee. But the difference like a barcode and the RFID. Distance 3 feet, distance is 3 meters. And the difference kind of the RFID. RFID, what are the main types of the RFID? Number one, passive tags. Then the semi-passive tags and the active tags. So there are mainly three types. In passive tags means वहां पे कोई activity ही नहीं है. There is no power usage. There is no power use supply to the passive tags. But in the case of the semi-passive, there is some kind of supply. And in the case of the active tags, there is a complete 100% use of the electricity. There is some chip in there. In a case of passive, no power supply for passive tags. They acquire their power from the reader's incoming radio waves. Like in the case of your transaction of the, like on the road transaction from the RFID. तो वहां पे कोई पावर सिस्टम नहीं है. रेडियो वेव्स कम डायरेक्टली देयर एंड स्कैन द प्रोडक्ट. सो जो वेव्स में ही है उससे ही सब कुछ यूज होता है इन दैट केस. एंड इन द केस ऑफ ट्रैकिंग, वी आर ट्रैकिंग द समवन, देयर इज अ यूज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. उसमें कंटिन्यूस में टच में रहना है, तो वी नीड टू सम ऑफ द यूसेज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देयर. सो दैट्स कम्स अंडर टू द एक्टिव फास्ट टैग. सो द इंटरनल सर्किट्स होते हैं वहां पे फॉर द ट्रैकिंग. अगर किसी मूवी में भी देखोगे, स्टार्ट ट्रैकिंग सम पर्सन, किसी के जूते में लगा दिया, किसी के कहीं लगा दिया, तो वहां पे सम सर्किट्स आल्सो अवेलेबल फॉर द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है. एंड द सेमी पैसिव tags comprise an internal circuits as well and some of the power source and also dependent on the radio wave, depend on the condition there. So there are three types. Number one, passives, another semi passives and the active. So this can be a statement there. There is no use of the electricity in the RFID tags. तो सबसे पहले एग्जांपल आपके में कार वाला ही आएगा, यार वहां तो यूज होते नहीं, तो कैसे हो सकता है? तो यू विल मार्क द स्टेटमेंट राइट, लेकिन वो तो गलत है. So you should be clear कि RFID having the three types: passive, semi-passive, and the active. In the active, there is a circuit present, so there is a use of the electricity there. Okay. Now come to the barcode. Barcodes, simple printed codes, black and white color. Black and white क्यों रखते हैं? जो कलरफुल क्यों नहीं रखते हैं? हाँ. We use a binary system. Binary system use करते हैं. 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. The information is stored in the form of this system. So this information is also present in the PC. The person is using these barcodes. So if they scan that particular product, so the complete information of that product will be present in the system of that person, and they can generate the bill from there. So it's a very simple technology. Scan करना है, bill बनाना है. Instead of writing on the pads, that can be stored in the computer directly. So the parallel bars or the lines varying width used for the entering data into the computer system. The bar represent the binary digits 0 and 1. Which represent the 0 to 9 proceed by digital computers. So this is a very simple process. In the QR codes also we are following this process. So the QR codes and the barcodes are of the similar kind. RFID versus barcode. दोनों में differences already हमने देख ली हैं. Radio waves for the communication, they are using the light spectrum. Use light to read the black and whites. Communicate with the power reader even when the tag is not powered. उस केस में यूज होता है. And durables, these are the RFID are the more durables. If you see the barcodes are made of the papers, तो खराब हो सकते हैं during the different weathers, but RFID is used made of the plastics, so there is a very less chance of damage of the RFID. And is RFID tags are expensive because of the like chips present होने की वजह से, and also with the making materials, so they are expensive. Okay. So these are some of the applications of the RFID. So you need to know because of some of the question related to the application they are asking about it. It can be used in the retails and apparels, library systems में भी use होता है. IT assets tracking 2000 की चिप वाला नोट याद होगा ना. And the hospitals, schools and college, vehicle tracking, solar panels. So हमारी मीडिया ने कुछ भी बना दिया था. Before the RBI, they are inventing a note with having the chip, the 2001. ठीक है. लॉजिक दे रहे थे एंड दे आर शोइंग द सम ऑफ द वर्चुअल रियलिटी देयर. ये नोट है, दे द चिप विल बी प्रेजेंट हियर, दिस इज द 2000 रुपी नोट. ये जो लाइन होगी इसकी जगह चिप प्रेजेंट होगा. हाँ, दे आर सेइंग ऑन नेशनल टीवी इफ यू आर बरिंग द नोट्स, आप 5 फीट पे 10 फीट पे भी रख रहे हैं, दैट कैन बी ट्रैक्ड, साइरन बजेगा वहां पे. दिस काइंड ऑफ द लॉजिक दे वर गिवन देयर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द type of the media. हम again आ जाते हैं मीडिया पे. The solar panels in the can be used in the solar panels as well. So this type of the application they will give. कि solar panels में भी RFID use हो सकता है. Museums and the art gallery, vehicle tracking सबको पता ही है. School, college, hospitals. So this is a evolving technology. Academy is also evolving. So though both can be used there. So it can be used anywhere. So there are some of the other applications like business में कहाँ पे use करेंगे. In manufacturing it can be used. In logistics, it can be used. In case of distributions, item location, pick and pack, inventory tracking में use कर सकते हैं ना, process and QC tracking में हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. So these are the some of the application of the RFID. So this is the car जिसके बारे में हमने discuss किया. Car with the RFID tags. It's not like this is the like the reader there you will and the gate AFC gate will be open after scanning the car. So this is the process we are using there. This was the question in 2020. Visible light communication. Okay. So the similar type of the question can be framed on the RFID. Give the answer. VLC is the visible light communication, uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelength 375 to 780. VLC is known as the long range optical. 1, 2. 2 is wrong one. Here the short range है, so we can directly reach to the answer. C 1, 3 and 4. ठीक है, तो जैसे ही स्टेटमेंट देखते हो तो चेक कर लिया करो ऑप्शंस की ये तो 100% श्योर है, तो वी कैन एलिमिनेट डी. ये भी 100% श्योर है, तो 2 पढ़ने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. हो ना हो, पता हो ना पता हो, आंसर सही हो जाएगा. 2019 LTE and VoLTE. LTE is commonly marketed as 3G. 4G के साथ ही आया था. LTE is data only technology and VoLTE is वॉइस ओनली टेक्नोलॉजी. दोनों गलत, दोनों में दोनों होता है. ठीक है, वोल्टी में 4G के साथ डेटा के साथ ही तो वोल्टी यूज कर पाते हो आप. ठीक है, दिस आल्सो इन द क्वेश्चन 2019. इन ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एंड द वर्चुअल रियलिटी, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एंड द वर्चुअल रियलिटी. वर्चुअल रियलिटी मोटिवेशन वीडियो देखने से आती है कि हम IAS बन गए हैं, एंड द रियलिटी पढ़ के कितना क्लैरिटी आ रही है उससे आएगी. ठीक है, तो आंसर इज B here. Answer is B here, 3 and 4. So this kind of the question can be framed on the RFID with they can mix with the barcode.